What are you doing, Ayah?
I'm making lunch for you once again, but today we're going to eat rice. It's been a long time since you had rice, right?
Mm-hmm.
So today what we're gonna have Nasi Goreng Putih Ikan Bilis Mama style. Literally means white fried rice with anchovies, Indian style, Singapore Indian style. Okay, I must admit that when I discovered this recipe about 20 years ago, I think when I was 18, 19, okay, and I tried it like 3, 4 times before I managed to get the 100% Singapore Indian Mama style white fried rice ikan bilis. It's 100% true recipe. Now, however, I did one minor thing is that I don't use that much of MSG. I've ever seen Mama, they use 3 to 4 spoonful of MSG, you know.
What's it?
MSG is monosodium glutamate. Basically, it's flavoring, you know.
Oh.
Salt, very saltish flavoring. So I'm just gonna use half a spoon or 1 spoon. Okay, but rest assured that the taste is 100% quite similar. Now, what you need? You need green chilies. Okay, so this green chilies is for one that you're gonna put inside the nasi lemak. And
Nasi lemak.
not nasi lemak, nasi goreng. Okay, and you also gonna need it for the dip, you know. Now instead of eating it with tomato and timun or tomato and cucumber, right? What we're gonna do is that we're gonna keep it inside here. See this? You put some there, and then onions, red onion. Doesn't matter whether small or big. The smaller one, they taste sweeter, nicer. There,
For me?
there you go. And what you gonna do with that? What you gonna do with that?
Put it inside there.
You put ketchup. Let me see. Where's my ketchup? Huh? Why are you holding me?
No, just now your shirt.
I'm
Can
looking for
see.
my ketchup, no? The normal ABC ketchup. Yeah. There you go. Put ketchup. Okay. Can you do a bit of close up on this? And then you put some pepper. White pepper, not black. It has to be white. Okay. There you go. This one is ready. We put it set aside first. There you go. Now, rice. Now, what else do we need? Okay, we need. For the achuan, right, it's very simple. You know? Okay, green chilies, onions, and then a clove of garlic, or maybe 2. Depends whether you like it garlicky or not. Alright. Finely chopped. Okay. And the other one. It's so simple, Intan. This recipe. Even you can do it. See? Garlic, onion, green chilies, white pepper. Last but not least, light soya sauce. Now, I bought the healthier version. You can see there's the pyramid, the triangle, so-called healthy version now. And of course, you need rice. I cooked this rice this morning. Leave it out, air it so that you get the individual ricey, grainy texture instead of a lumpy one, you know. Okay, heat up the wok. So what do you need? A bit of oil.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do this for 1 egg, One eggs or two eggs? Hmm? Two eggs? Okay, two eggs for you. Okay. Yes.
Oi,
What is it?
Sony. She
Okay.
says done.
We're almost done. I forgot, Yeah, put some veggie. I know you like veggie, right, Intan?
This is cabbage.
Yeah, this is cabbage, but I'm not gonna use a lot. Okay, I'm gonna use just for you. Okay? You know what you call cabbage in Malay?
Cabbage.
Kubis, okay?
Kubis.
Yeah. There you go. Kecilkan api sikit.
It's boiling.
Can you smell it, Intan? Can you smell it?
Smells so garlicky.
You know why it's so garlicky?
And oniony.
And oniony
And green chili.
Okay. Close your eyes. Put pepper. Okay.
White pepper. Look at that.
Oh, it's a brand new one. There. Light soy sauce. There you
How
go.
many drops?
Probably about 3 to 4.
Uh-huh.
Now what I'm gonna do the eggs.
You can put as many eggs as you like, right?
Yeah, but if you put too much egg,
It
then it will
tastes
become
eggy.
it will become
Soggy.
Soggy, yeah, correct.
So
Okay,
you
heat up a bit.
can choose one or two or three, maybe.
How hungry are you?
Very hungry.
Yeah. And you forgot, Now, I've already got anchovies here. Ikan bilis, we always have stock of ikan bilis. We eat it with rice and everything. But if you don't have ikan bilis, what you can do is that before the egg, right? So you goreng the anchovies first. Probably you put a handful and then you goreng first,
Whoa, look at that. It's boiling.
Now you scramble it and de-scramble, scramble and de-scramble.
Scramble. You scramble egg.
Yeah. Smells good. Smells good, right?
Yeah, it's color white also, but
Yeah.
on camera, it's yellowish. Now what is it?
Huh?
What is that?
This is salt.
Is it less? Is it
Yeah, it's less sodium. Salt.
mineral
forgot.
salt?
Okay. Guys and girls. If you go to any Indian stall when doing nasi goreng or mee goreng, they will use like 4 spoon of this.
What's that?
Ajinomoto, MSG, but I'm just going to use 1. That's it. Oh, healthier lah. Yeah.
Then mix it again.
Okay. Got it? Ooh, what? Smells good, right? There you go, Intan. All of these.
Put all the rice.
I can see your lips. I cannot tahan really. Okay, a bit more of the light soy sauce. Okay. And pepper, plentiful.
White pepper.
White pepper. I put my Kobe's while yeah.
healthier. So, can you use vegetable oil?
Hmm?
Can you use vegetable oil, right?
Can you use what?
Vegetable oil.
What?
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil?
Mm.
I am using vegetable oil.
Hmm.
Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You have to control, Intan. Control, Intan. Wait. We just need to wait for about 3 more minutes. And we're done. Okay, what else? What about the anchovies, yeah?
Then put Sony inside.
Yeah.
No lah. We don't eat Sony.
Okay.
Oh.
Woohoo! Look, Intan. Isn't it sama like macam mama punya?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, heat it up a bit so that you have that. When you makan, right, it will be really, really hot.
Can feel the heat.
Yeah, we are almost done. You want to count?
How many seconds?
From 20 until 0.
19,
Some more?
18,
Mhm.
17,
Mhm.
16,
Mhm.
15,
Mhm.
14,
Mm.
13,
Mm.
12,
Mhm.
11,
Mhm.
10, 9,
Mhm.
8,
Mhm.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, okay. We are done, okay?
Oh, still popping.
Yep.
Don't put too much. Oh, that's a lot, ayah.
Yeah, you can share lah.
Yeah lah.
Ooh.
Share with me, ah.
Yep.
That's a lot. Kecil, 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 kecil.
Unbelievable. Okay. So, there you go. A bit of this, a bit of that. You done? Okay?
Bye.
Ready to eat?
Yes.
You and me? Let's go.